Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import inventory items in Zoho Books. This is incredibly useful when you're migrating from another system or need to add multiple products at once, saving you hours of manual data entry. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account where you want to import your inventory items, as this will be directly added to that specific account. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look over to the left sidebar and click on the Items tab. This section is where all your products and services are stored, and it's the hub for managing your entire inventory. Clicking this will take you to your Items page where you can view all existing products. Now, in the top right corner of the Items page, locate the three-dot menu icon. This is often called the More icon, and it contains additional options for managing your items. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform. From that drop-down menu, select Import Items. This option opens up Zoho Books Import Tool, which is specifically designed to handle bulk uploads of inventory data. It's a powerful feature that can process hundreds or even thousands of items in just a few clicks. On the Import Items page, you'll see a button labeled Choose File. Click this button to open your file browser. Navigate to where you've saved your prepared inventory file, whether it's in your Downloads folder, desktop, or another location. Select the file and click Open. Make sure your file is properly formatted, typically as a CSV or Excel file, with all the necessary product information organized in columns. Once your file is uploaded, click Next to move forward. You'll now reach the field mapping stage, which is crucial for ensuring your data imports correctly. Here, Zoho Books will display the columns from your file, and you'll need to map each one to the corresponding Zoho Books fields. For example, map your product name column to the item name field, your price column to rate, and so on. This step ensures that all your data ends up in the right place within Zoho Books. After mapping all the fields correctly, click Next again. Zoho Books will now show you a preview of your import, allowing you to review everything before finalizing. Take a moment to scan through and verify that the data looks correct. If everything checks out, click Import to upload all your inventory items into Zoho Books. Your items will now be available in your inventory system, ready to use for invoices and sales orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.